Oh, didn't see you there. My name is Blue Man, and as you see, I have this homemade maraca. Now you might be wondering, how do you make a homemade maraca? But today I'll be showing you just that. I will teach you how to make a homemade maraca, just like this. Now, the first step is you need to add the first strip of tape on top of your toilet paper roll. I'm not the best taper. Now you're also going to want an extra piece of tape for the side, because you don't want anything that you put inside to fall out. Technical difficulties. Please stand by. And now you're also going to want to add a more supportive piece of tape going around the whole thing, like this skinny strip. You're going to want to do it like this. Once you've done that, then you can smooth everything out. But then after you do that, you can add the macaroni into the toilet paper roll. Because then none should be able to fall out. None should. And we wouldn't want that. Now anything would work. Anything would work. Rice, pasta, dog, cat food, nuts, etc., etc. Macaroni. That should be enough. And then once you've done that, if you really want to, you can cover the top with your hand, and then, so then you know it's going pretty good. So then you're going to want to do the same thing to the bottom with the tape. You're just going to want to tape the bottom the same way you did it to the top. Not exactly. But you just got to tape the top so nothing can get out. And after you've done those two, add your second supportive tape. Like we did. Like a third supportive tape. Yes, whatever. Should be like this, like usual. Wrap it around. I gotta push this down a little bit. And boom! You've made it. That wasn't so hard, was it? But if you really want to, you can wrap it in tissue paper. You can wrap it in tissue paper or wrapping paper. Either one would work. Here's an example of what I did before. It's basically the same as what I just did, but it has wrapping paper on. Now here's what it sounds like if you have it with dog or cat food. It'll change the pitch of it. It's kind of fun if you ask me. But now you're basically done. You can also change the size of how big your tube is. And this is how they usually work. You can either shake them, you can twist them like this, and you can roll them. Thank you so much for watching. my video. I hope the tutorial helped you a lot. Make sure to subscribe with the bell notification button so you always get notified when I post another video, and I'll see you later. Thank you so much. Ooga, 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 ooga.